my name is Sherry and I'm the Academy and Community Lead at EasyStore. And this is how you can create an article in your online store. And next we are going to go to the article. If you click on article, add article for example, you can see that the templates for you to draft out your contents is slightly different. Article feel more like maybe you are from a newspaper, magazine, because we have the author name right there. Okay, for me, title, maybe I can say that our customers' stories. Okay, and then who's the author? Maybe I'm the author. And then you can put a featured image. Having, like, drafting the article is like how you read e-magazine or any magazine or newspaper. You have the author name, by who, what's the title, and of course an image which can actually catches their attention to read. Okay, so same thing, you can upload the image, you can click change featured image, add, there you go. And then of course the content, our customers blah 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 blah, maybe the first customer name, Brenda's story. Click save. Okay, you can see this is the blog that we have created just now. You can see the title, the image, the date of publish, the author's name, and the content, like this. So that's how you can create an article in your online store. And again, my name is Sherry and I'm the Academy and Community Lead at EasyStore. See you next time. Thank you for watching.